Hello friends, welcome to Crochet for Beginners. Today we'll make this crochet cocoon. Yarn is 6 ply yarn and hook used is 3.5 mm hook. So after making magic ring, make 10 double crochet in first row, 20 double crochet, that is 2 double crochet in each stitch of first row. So in the second row we will have 20 double crochet, in third row we will have 30 double crochet. Now for the fourth row we will not increase anything, just make the 30 stitches but half double crochets instead of double crochets. So fourth row is 30 half double crochets. In the fifth and sixth row, same 30 double crochets, no increase. In the seventh row, we will skip 10 stitches and make 1 double crochet in each of 20 stitches. So at the end, we will have 20 stitches in the seventh row. We will work in the 20 stitches only from 8th row onwards. So we will complete the row and then chain 1 turn over. So in this way we will work. So 8th row is chain 1 as turning chain and 1 double crochet in each stitch and turn over again. Repeat for next 4. Repeat till you reach 17th row and have length of 16 inches. So at the end of 17th row you have 16 inches length. Now for the 18th row, 2 double crochet in the first stitch, chain 2, skip next 2 stitches and in the third stitch make 2 double crochets. Chain 2 again, you have to skip 2 stitches in between. Skip next 2 stitches and in the third stitch make 2 double crochet and in this way complete this row. After this row you can change the color or continue with the same color. Now in this row we will make leaves. For the leaves we will work in posts and we will work in front post only. Make 1 double crochet in the first stitch, skip next stitch and make 5 double crochets in the first post. These are the posts. So in this post, in these 2 posts we will make 5 stitches. So just turn your work to your left if you are right-handed and then make 5 double crochets in the first post. Not first, because in first 2 posts we have not done anything. So after 5 double crochets, these are 5 double crochets in the first post, chain 1, and again in the next post again make 5 double crochets. Turn your work towards your right in order to work smoothly. Whenever you are working on the post, always change the direction of your work towards left or right, whichever side is convenient to you. So this is first leaf. Again make 5 double crochets in the next post. 5 front post double crochets, as we are working in the post. Five front post double crochets. Chain 1, again front post double crochets in the next post. So one leaf has 5 front post double crochet, chain 1, 5 front post double crochet. So in this way complete this row. And when you reach the end, make 1 double crochet in the last stitch. So in first and last stitch we have 1 double crochet, and in all the other posts we have 1 leaf each. So we have total of 5 leaves at the end of this row. It's very easy. We are making this cocoon for doll, and in the same way you can make cocoon for newborn babies. For newborn babies, the length should be around 20 inches and 6 inches across. That is, width should be around 12 inches. If you take circumference, then it should be 12 inches and length should be 20 inches for a newborn baby. So we have reached the end of the row. Chain 1 and turn. Now make 1 double crochet in between first 2 stitches of the last row. One double crochet between petal and the second stitch. Now 2 double crochet, sorry, 2 double crochets between petal and the second stitch, and in the same way 2 double crochets at the center of the petal or leaf, whatever you want to call it. Two double crochets, two double crochets between the leaves and 2 double crochets at the center of the leaf. So at the end of this row we will have 24 stitches. So in next 5 rows we will repeat this row, that is 1 double crochet in every stitch. So at the end of 5th row, after this we will have 24 stitches only. One double crochet in each stitch. So previously we had 20 stitches, now we have 24 stitches. Make 4 more rows after this row. Fold it and sew on both the sides. And for the last row, at the center make single crochets only.